Hello and welcome to another episode of Making Solar Simple series by Candi Solar. I am Umesh, Head of Project Development in India, and today we are going to talk about the key parameters that needs to be taken into consideration when choosing the right solar system for your business. Before we get into the specifics of sizing the solar system, it is important to understand the factors that influence the decision like your sanction load, energy consumption, availability of rooftop or land for the solar plant, geographical location, your financial goals, and your future expansion plans. In addition, we also dive deep into various state-specific solar policies, including metering arrangement, for example, net metering, gross metering, net feeding. This helps us recommend the best beneficial option for your business. This is an important step as it helps your business to meet the statutory requirements. We then evaluate the existing infrastructure, including your roof type, orientation, tilt angle, and available shadow-free area. Taking all these necessary inputs, we then run a simulation using helioscope or PVSys tool, which estimates the energy yield assessment. For ground-mount open access projects, our approach focuses on understanding your energy needs over the next 10 to 15 years. Open access is beneficial for facilities having very limited space. Prevailing government policy also plays an important role in open access projects. Since each state has its own regulations, it is important to assess which model works best with the state policy. We also provide a detailed financial analysis, including expected saving, return on investment, and payback period, while ensuring that the proposed system complies with all local regulations and take advantage of available incentives. We bring end-to-end customized solar solutions with expertise, precision, and a commitment to maximizing your investment. If you have any questions or want to start your solar journey, reach out to us at info@candi.solar and we'll make solar easy for you.